Welcome to the heart of the world's sweetest industry, where Swiss precision meets nature's bounty in a state-of-the-art facility hidden deep within the majestic, snowy Alps. Here, raw cocoa beans will soon begin a miraculous journey, transforming from humble seeds into the legendary black gold that defines the peak of global confectionery excellence. Witness the art of Swiss precision as we uncover the secrets behind this velvety liquid gold, a symbol of luxury that has captivated hearts for many centuries. This is where traditional craftsmanship meets the future of engineering, ensuring every single drop of chocolate reaches a standard of perfection that is recognized worldwide today. Every movement is calculated, every temperature regulated to the decimal point. That's as we prepare to refine the raw elements of nature into a sophisticated culinary masterpiece. Join us on an exclusive tour through the veins of this chocolate giant, exploring the complex stages of production that create the world's most desired sweet treats. The journey begins with the arrival of the finest beans. Powerful robotic systems handle the heavy lifting, ensuring a seamless transition from the farm to the factory. Thousands of tons of raw cocoa await their turn. These beans have been sourced from the best plantations, selected specifically for their unique and complex aromatic profiles. Purity is the foundation of quality. A sophisticated multi-stage cleaning system uses intense vibration to separate any impurities from the precious cocoa beans before the processing starts. Advanced optical sorters utilize high-speed laser technology to scan every individual bean, and instantly detecting and removing any item that does not meet the strict color standards. In just a fraction of a second, compressed air pulses reject subpar beans, leaving only the most perfect specimens to continue their path through the production line. Only those beans that achieve a 100% score in size and quality are allowed to proceed, ensuring a consistent and superior flavor in every batch. Clean, sorted, and ready for change. These beans are now prepared to reveal their hidden potential through the intense heat of the master roaster's specialized ovens. Roasting is where the magic truly begins. The controlled application of heat triggers the Maillard reaction, developing the deep, chocolatey aroma we all know and love dearly. Temperature is the ultimate key. Precise sensors monitor the heat between 120 and 150 degrees Celsius to unlock over 600 flavor compounds. The air in the roasting room is thick with the intoxicating scent of toasted cocoa, a sensory signal that the beans are reaching their peak flavor profile. Next comes the winnowing process. The roasted beans are gently crushed to separate the fragile outer husks from the valuable cocoa nibs found deep within each bean. High-velocity air currents act as a weight-based splitter, lifting the light shells away and leaving behind only the pure, crunchy nibs which are the heart of chocolate. These nibs are the essence of cocoa. Without the bitter shells, the true character of the bean can finally shine, providing the base for a truly smooth texture. Efficiency meets precision in this stage, as the factory handles thousands of pounds of nibs per hour, while maintaining the integrity of the delicate raw material. Quality control is constant. Even at this stage, experts inspect the nibs to ensure the roast is perfectly uniform before moving to the intensive grinding process. Now, the transformation turns physical. Tremendous pressure and friction from heavy rollers crush the nibs, melting the natural fats to create a thick, rich cocoa liquor. This intense mechanical process turns solid nibs into a flowing liquid. The friction generates heat, naturally melting the cocoa butter trapped inside the tiny cellular structures. Multiple stages of grinding reduce the particle size to microscopic levels. This is why the final chocolate will feel so incredibly smooth and creamy on your tongue. The recipe comes to life as fine sugar is added. Each variety of chocolate requires a specific balance to achieve the perfect level of sweetness and intensity. For our world-famous milk chocolate, high-quality Swiss milk powder is introduced, while adding a rich creaminess that has become a signature of this Alpine nation's legendary recipes. Extra cocoa butter is added to ensure the perfect melt-in-your-mouth experience. This natural vegetable fat is what gives premium chocolate its luxurious texture and beautiful shine. The blending process is a symphony of movement. These powerful mechanical arms work tirelessly to ensure every ingredient is distributed with absolute mathematical uniformity and precision. The secret formulas of Swiss chocolatiers are strictly guarded. Technology ensures that every batch follows these historic recipes with perfect accuracy, down to the very last gram. Slowly, the gritty texture disappears. The mixture begins to resemble the final product, yet it still needs hours of refinement to reach the peak of its elegance. Human expertise remains at the core of the process. Skilled operators monitor the consistency, adjusting the mechanical parameters to ensure the mixture meets the highest quality standards. Welcome to the conching phase, the most critical step for flavor development. This process involves continuous kneading of the chocolate for up to 72 hours straight. As the chocolate is aerated and heated, undesirable acidic notes evaporate away. What remains is a pure, rounded flavor profile that is both complex and incredibly smooth. Patience is a vital ingredient. This long duration allows the sugar and cocoa particles to be coated perfectly in cocoa butter, creating a silky, melt-away sensation. The friction generates a gentle, consistent heat that further refines the texture. This is the stage where the chocolate loses any remaining graininess and becomes truly elite. Next is tempering, a delicate thermal dance. The chocolate is carefully heated and cooled to specific temperatures to encourage the formation of stable cocoa butter crystals. The proper tempering is what gives high-end chocolate its characteristic snap and its brilliant, mirror-like shine. Without this precision, the chocolate would be dull and soft. The tempered chocolate is now ready to take its final shape. Automated nozzles deposit precise amounts into molds that bear the iconic mark of the Swiss manufacturer. Vibrating tables gently shake the molds to remove any trapped air. This ensures the bars are solid and free of holes, maintaining a perfect aesthetic and structural density. The molds enter the cooling tunnel, where the crystal structure of the cocoa butter sets firmly. This stage finalizes the snap and the long-term stability of the product. Emerging from the cold, the bars are solid and perfect. The transformation from a raw bean to a finished masterpiece is now physically complete and ready for presentation. A river of chocolate bars flows toward the final destination. The scale of production is a testament to the global demand for this incredible Swiss culinary invention. But in the sterile packaging area, speed is the priority. Thousands of bars move with incredible velocity, yet each one is treated with the utmost care and precision. Every bar is scanned for imperfections. Any piece that deviates even slightly from the weight or shape standard is automatically removed to ensure absolute consumer satisfaction. Protective silver foil is applied at lightning speed. This layer preserves the delicate aromas and protects the chocolate from moisture and light during its journey to you. Next, the outer sleeve is added. The packaging reflects the quality of the contents, featuring gold accents and artistic designs that signal a premium, high-end experience. Operating at a rate of 500 bars per minute, the machinery is a masterpiece of modern engineering, blending high-volume efficiency with artisan-level quality control. But robotic stackers organize the finished boxes into pallets. This automated precision continues all the way to the loading dock, preparing the chocolate for its worldwide distribution. A final human check ensures that every shipment meets the export standards of TUIC. The seal of quality is the promise of an unforgettable tasting experience. From the heart of the Alps, these treasures are dispatched to every corner of the globe, carrying with them the heritage and pride of Swiss confectionery excellence. The journey ends with a simple, satisfying snap. That sound is the ultimate proof of a perfectly tempered, expertly crafted bar of high-quality Swiss chocolate. It is more than just a sweet. It is a complex intersection of cutting-edge technology and a centuries-old passion for the most refined flavors in the world. Experience the peak of sweet luxury. From raw cacao to your first bite, discover the enduring magic and the industrial art of premium Swiss chocolate making.